Starting around the 12th of May 2023, Dogelon Mars explicitly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.96% in very most recent 60 minutes. ELON in a real sense has a very all-out market cap of $118,811,712 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,719,331 in a significant manner. This basically makes Dogelon Mars genuinely positioning at 185 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what especially is the Dogelon Mars cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Dogelon Mars for the most part be really worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Dogelon Mars an especially wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will ELON cost generally outperform its unequaled kind of high and in every practical sense, significant way? These generally are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for ELON's future, which certainly is very critical. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023. As per the Dogelon Mars gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the ELON cost fundamentally is supposed to really cross a normal value level of $0. The normal pretty least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to in every practical sense be $0. Besides, ELON can in every practical sense arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $0, or so they truly thought. Dogelon Mars value gauge May 2023. The really normal cost of Dogelon Mars could truly go to $0 the finish of May 2023 in an especially significant manner. ELON could explicitly be exchanging around a kind of greatest worth of $0, the exceptionally least expected cost of $0, a genuinely huge manner. Dogelon Mars value figure June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars truly is supposed to be at around a truly least of $0, showing how in the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Dogelon Mars cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Dogelon Mars basically be worth in 2023 in a fundamentally large manner? Dogelon Mars cost can explicitly arrive at a by and large limit of $0, the really normal cost of $0 USD in an every practical sense, significant way. Dogelon Mars value conjecture July 2023. The in every practical sense normal cost of Dogelon Mars could go to $0 the finish of July 2023, which sort of shows that assuming you for the most part are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2023, what will Dogelon Mars explicitly be genuinely worth in 2023 in a really significant manner? ELON could sort of exchange around a kind of most extreme worth of $0, the very least expected cost of $0, which by and large is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars value expectation August 2023. The cost for Dogelon Mars in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0. Truly further appearance how as per the Dogelon Mars estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the ELON cost for the most part is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0. The normal genuinely least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to fundamentally be $0, which in a real sense is genuinely huge, while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $0, or so they most certainly thought. Dogelon Mars value expectation September 2023. Dogelon Mars cost basically is supposed to reach between $0 September 2023, while the in every practical sense normal cost of ELON for the September for the most part remains around $0. Mars value forecast October 2023. With respect to October 2023, Dogelon Mars cost especially is gauged to especially arrive at an in every practical sense least cost of $0 in unpretentious way. The ELON cost could in a real sense arrive at a very most extreme cost of $0, the genuinely normal expected cost around $0, all things considered, as opposed to prevalent thinking. ELON value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars is estimated to explicitly be at around a truly least worth of $0, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Dogelon Mars value worth can basically arrive at a kind of limit of $0, the by and large normal exchanging worth of $0 USD in an especially huge way. Dogelon Mars value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the kind of greatest cost for Dogelon Mars could truly stretch around $0. Further appearance how elon value gauge November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars most certainly is estimated to explicitly be at around a truly least worth of $0, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of ELON in December 2023 basically is $0, a truly normal cost of $0, a by and large enormous manner. Dogelon Mars passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogelon Mars S cost in a real sense has shown a decent increment of 2.56% as of now in an unobtrusive manner. Dogelon Mars is confronting a quite tough time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The ELON sort of is down to nearly 15.62% in the fundamentally most recent 7 days. Or so they really thought. The coin truly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for extremely past certainly couple of days. The coin could for the most part serious areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in by and large present moment. Or so they sort of thought. Dogelon Mars Value Figure 2023 FAQs. What will basically be Dogelon Mars all things considered, worth in 2023, which really is very huge. The ELON cost truly is determined to in a real sense arrive at a truly most extreme degree of $0, especially least cost of $0, the finish of 2023, exhibiting that Dogelon Mars Value Figure May 2023 the especially normal cost of Dogelon Mars could explicitly go to $0 the finish of May 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. Does Dogelon Mars basically have a future in a sort of huge manner? As far as value, Dogelon Mars sort of has an exceptional sort of potential to especially arrive at new levels, showing the way that elon could in a real sense exchange around in all things considered. Greatest worth of $0, the all things considered, least expected cost of $0. It especially is gauged that ELON will increment in esteem, which for the most part is genuinely critical, as per kind of unambiguous specialists and business experts. Dogelon Mars can stir things up around town much the greatest cost of $0 2030, showing that Dogelon Mars value estimate June 2023. In June 2023 the cost of Dogelon Mars generally is supposed to be at around a sort of least of $0, exhibiting how assuming you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Dogelon Mars cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars especially be genuinely worth in 2023 in a kind of significant manner? Is Dogelon Mars genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in a for the most part significant manner? Dogelon Mars S worth in a real sense is supposed to in a real sense keep on extending, as lack will in general for the most part support cost rise, showing the way that Dogelon Mars cost can basically arrive at in every way that really matters. Limit of $0, the especially normal cost of $0 USD, which certainly is genuinely huge. If it's not too much trouble, note, there most certainly is a gamble to any venture, which is very huge. Just especially put resources into what you can really achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the in every practical sense greatest examination conceivable in spite of mainstream thinking.